Hello, everyone. My name is Brian Snyder Hernandez Camargo. Today, I want to share my personal and professional journey here in Bogota. When I was a child, I used to play traditional games with my friends in the neighborhood. Life was simpler then. For example, Bogota used to be quieter, but now there too much traffic and not enough green space in some areas. Currently, I am business administration student and I am doing my internship at Software One. My routine is busier now than before. I've worked on different projects and I've learned a lot about the business world. I wish I had more free time, but I love what I do. Looking ahead, I'm going to finish my degree soon. I am also going to travel to further improve my English. This journey from my childhood to my professional goals and being incredible. Thanks for watching.